What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be trying out the Call of Duty Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy A20. This is a budget phone and it looks like this is going to actually run on the Galaxy A20. So really excited about that. If you guys are excited as well, definitely stay tuned. Alright everyone, so really been loving this game so far. So far it looks like the graphics are pretty nice. I did a little combat training and it looks pretty decent, but we're starting out in Nuketown right here. And we're gonna go ahead and set this up. We also have talk features, so just like PUBG, we can go ahead and talk to our teammates and stuff, but I thought it was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and start this off though. Graphics actually look pretty decent and it's running really nicely. Nice. Gonna go ahead and turn that down. The speakers are actually pretty loud for this phone. We got a little glitch right there and right there. Let's see if it glitches anymore though. Another kill right there. We're gonna go ahead and use these kill streaks in a second. Let's go ahead and use this now though. Everything's running really good though. Definitely a playable game so far. There we go, victory. Awesome. So we also get kill cams in this, as well as some other cool stuff. We can unlock clans, we can unlock other modes such as Battle Royale. So Battle Royale is going to be on this as well. You can also select loadouts, you can select score streaks and all that different type of stuff. And as you guys see, I'm the MVP for the game. Got a ton of kills. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out this app, you guys can go to the App Store. This is on Android and iOS, which I really like. The other thing is this phone didn't get hot at all whatsoever, not even warm while playing this game. And this is a pretty graphic intensive game. Definitely a graphic intensive first person shooter, and it ran very well, and I'm super excited to play some more of this game. But if you guys are going to play this game, definitely put it in the comments down below. If not, put that in the comments down below as well. But if you guys did enjoy this video or find it helpful whatsoever, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech King already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech King.